Slowly I heard note once more. Then I went over to the house next door. Her teardrops fell like rain. When I told Joni what I had to say. Joni, please don't cry. You forget me by and by. You're just 15, I am 22. And Joni, I just can't wait for you. Soon I get our little hometown. Got me a job and tried to settle down. But these words kept haunting my memory. The words that Joni said to me. Jimmy, please say you'll wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Signed with love forever ago. I packed my clothes and I called her. I had to see Joni. I had to explain how my heart was filled with her memory. And asked my Joni if she'd marry me. I ran all the way to the house next door. But things weren't like they were before. My teardrops fell like rain that day. But I heard what Joni had to say. Jimmy, Jimmy, please don't cry. You forget me by and by. It's been 5 years since you've been gone. Jimmy, I married your best friend now. Jimmy, please say you'll